This is the common problem you could have with a spring-assisted knife, which I'll show you here. If this is too tight, it's going to have a problem opening. Let me show you. See? Because this is too tight, this screw right here. Some kind of a hex screw that you have to use, so it doesn't really open up good. But if you flick it with your wrist, then it does. But that's not very good, so I want to make sure I can use the spring assisted system to open it up. You do have to loosen it up a little bit. If it's too tight, it doesn't work, so you don't want to make it too loose. Just make it just firm like that. Now it opens, see? Now the spring assisted thing works. The problem is this was too tight. It's a common problem you might have with a spring assisted knife. Now you can open it like that. It does open. Let me adjust it a little bit more. Okay, that's perfect. Now it's on there. That's one of the problems that I have. Sometimes it's too loose and it's the blade is a little bit it wobbles a little bit when you do this, when it's not very tight. But when it's tight, when it's too tight, it doesn't open. So this is one of the issues that I encounter with these knives, these type of knives. This is a Stiletto type of spring-assisted knife. It's a pretty good knife. If you're interested, I'll leave it in the video descriptions below so you can get your own. But if you do get it, sometimes I encounter these problems of it not opening like that. I don't know, sometimes at the factory they just make it really, they make it too tight. That's the issue. So what keeps it open is the spring right here, as you can see. That's what helps it open up. But if you make this too stiff, there's not enough, you can't get enough force to open it up. Let's see if let me try to push it back in. So this is on pretty firm right here. That's what I want to share with you today. If you want to take the whole thing apart, you can, but you need a hex screw to do it. I use my hex screw kit right here to open up watches and stuff like this and repair it. And that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to share with you today. If you have any thoughts or questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.